How to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok videos problems. How can others see your video? So all you need to do is go to your TikTok application, click on profile, and first thing, make sure that your account is not a private account. To do that, all you need to click on is those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. Now click on privacy and turn off private account. Another thing, if this doesn't help you, now click on your video and click on those 3 points. Now click on privacy setting. Now who can watch this video? Click on it, and if it's on only me, click on everyone. So, and now you can allow comments and allow juice and stitch. So this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.